In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete Instagram posts. Whether you want to remove outdated content or simply start fresh, this tutorial will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to delete Instagram posts. Let's get started. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. On your profile page, scroll through your posts until you find the one you want to delete. Tap on that post. In the top right corner of the post, tap on the 3 vertical dots icon. From the drop-down menu, select the Delete option. A confirmation window will appear. Tap on the Delete button to confirm that you want to delete the post. Congratulations! You have successfully deleted posts on Instagram. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.